Sudarsan Technologies Incorporation is a part of Sudarsan Group of Companies incorporated in the year 1992. This is an ISO 9001 certified organization and is committed to provide reliable service to customers. The promoters of Sudarsan Technologies are Mr. D. Ravi and Mr. Y. Sudarsana Rao. Both of them are having 30 years of tooling experience and started their career as tool designers before starting this business. Sudarsan Technologies has two units. One of them is precision parts machining and the other one is a press shop for sheet metal stamped parts. STI is a leading supplier of CNC machined components, assemblies and sub-assemblies for domestic and overseas customers. STI is in the export business for past 10 years and supplies products predominantly to USA, UK, Australia and Spain. Sudarsan Technologies Plant 1 is a precision parts machining unit. In this unit, there are 12 VMC, 2 HMC and 6 CNC turning centers. STI can machine parts from materials like aluminium, stainless steel, brass, copper and mild steel, circular components up to 300 mm and flat components up to 1100 into 450 into 300 size can be machined. STI is now supplying machine parts to automobile industries, bulb industries and electrical industries. STI is more suited for mass production at a competitive price without compromising the quality and on-time delivery. STI builds quality as a habit and it is our continued efforts to produce parts with zero defects. Is the component manufacturing division, mainly doing sheet metal stamping and product assemblies. In this unit, the input material is mainly steel and aluminium available in coils and sheets. The raw materials thus received are stored in the well laid out material storage space specifically identified for coils and sheets. Similarly, the finished components are also properly stored in the finished goods storage place and kept ready for dispatch. Both the incoming material and the goods that are dispatched are properly accounted on daily basis by the staff handling the stored activities. For the production of components, different types of tools are maintained in the tool room as per customer and component wise. There are different presses varying from 63-ton capacity to 200-ton capacity. Depending upon the tonnage required, the tools are loaded onto the press. The material, either the coil or the strip, is fed into the tool and the component is stamped while the press gives the stroke. These presses can be operated in single stroke as well as continuous strokes. While running on continuous strokes, the material is fed through the coil feeder attachment. The slugs and the components are collected separately. There are special bins provided to store the stage components as well as the final finished components. STI Plant 2 has got assembly lines to assemble the product as such. Currently, products like door locks for glass doors and partition walls and walking sticks for visually challenged persons are being assembled. Operations like stamping, buffing, tapping, powder coating, and testing of the assembled product are involved. STI, along with its core engineering team, ensure stringent quality norms met at all stages to obtain products engineered as precise as they were designed. Components thus produced are checked for dimensional requirements by the inspectors at the inspection room. Facilities such as surface plate, height gauge, and other precision measuring instruments are available at the inspection room. The quality inspection staff prepares all the quality records as required by the customers. A team of technically qualified and trained supervisors and engineers supports the complete component production operation. They also support with the required designs for maintenance of the tool. Also, there are other teams such as accounting, purchase, HR, and product development to assist the running of the press shop. There are regular reviews and discussions with the managing director to monitor the progress of the component production and the feedback from the customers. During these discussions, more focus is made on the safety practices and the continuous improvement activities. Any engineering product can be developed with the facilities available at Sudarsan Technologies Inc.